Welcome, today I'm showing how to change your icon shape into a NOKIA X30. First of all, open your Play Store and in search find X icon changer application. This one. Need downloading and installing, so wait a second for install. And now tap open. Now from the list of our application, choose something what you wanna change, maybe another one. Maybe settings will be nice. Okay, and now from the library of our icon, choose some new icon, this one. Okay, and now for saving this, I need tap OK button in the top right corner. And wait a second for generating new icon.
Dołącz teraz, aby otrzymać kupon na pierwsze zakupy.
And
Zdobądź darmowy.
now need close ads a few times because it's a free application. So okay, and now we got a message that add to home screen and cancel, so tap to save add to home screen. We got success, so go to our home screen and here we got our new icon of settings. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.